Hello friends, today we will learn how to make isometric view from two views. Let's say we have one front view and then we have top view. Now we want to make isometric view for this out of these two views. So for this you should have knowledge of projection of planes, projection of lines. So for that, let's say we have this quadrant. So this is the first quadrant, this is second, third and fourth. And if you see this one, then let's say this is the front view. If you take projection of these views, it will have an object like this. Okay, so when you look at from the front, you will have this square, this one is the outside square. If you look at from the top, you will have this square, this is from the top view. So this is the object that we form out of these two. Now for the center square, again we will have a projection. If you take this projection here, you will have this line, then this line. So if you look at from the front, this will be the square. If you look at from the top, this will be the square. Now there are two possibilities. Instead of this projection, you can have inside also, like this. So here also, if you look at from this front view, this will be the inside square, and if you look at from the top, this will be the inside square. So here also you can see the similar projection will come. So these are the two possibilities. So in this case, if you want a more clarity, then you need another view, that is side view. If you take a side view here, if it is like this, so this is the first case where if you see from this side, so this is the face and this face will be here. Similarly from the top, if you project it here, this will be the face. So for more clarity you need this side view. Similarly for this case, you can have this side view. You can have this dotted view inside. So in this case also, if you look at from this front view, so this will be the projection inside and this will be the square inside. And similarly, if you take this projection, this will be the inside square. So this is how we converted to using isometric view. This is the simple example. We will cover more in detail projection of planes and projection of lines, so that you will have better idea and better skill over converting from 3D to 2D or 2D to 3D. You need a basic knowledge of projection of plane and projection of lines for doing this exercise, and this is the basic fundamental of any engineering drawing. So you must have knowledge of quadrants, first quadrant, second or third or fourth. So this is the first angle projection method that we call it, when the object is here. This is the third angle projection. This is the first angle projection. So normally we have two methods of drawing, first angle and third angle. Third angle is the older one. Nowadays people are using first angle in engineering industry. And in title block, this, let's say this is the drawing. We have this title block here where we have ID numbers. So